Hello, this is Steinar Holes, and today I will teach you how to use the Hoverbit template level 2. Then we are at level 2, and the first thing we need is a piece of cardboard. Then we take the template, lay it down, and mark the points A, C1, and here it may be an advantage to extend the pencil a little bit so that it reaches all the way down. Then we draw these points a little more clear. We start by creating a center line. It should go through point C1 and A. This needs to be drawn long enough so that we know that it goes through the entire size of the hovercraft. Then we will find the front of our vessel. So this is points A, C1 and C2. We know that the front of our vehicle lies 6 cm in front of point C1. We can learn that from our template. Then we will find the back end of our hovercraft. And we know that it lies 7 cm from point A. Here we see that we need to make the center line a little bit longer. Then we will draw the entire rear end of our vehicle. The points are marked now, that's where the line stops. The radius begins here. Now we will find the outline. To do that we must find a parallel. Then we have found where the outline is. Remember to make this twice, as there are 2 sides of the vehicle. Now we'll find where this outline stops. And find these points. It is 4 cm in front and 4 cm behind. In relation to the center. This is where the radius begins and ends on the rear end. Now we will find the points where the screw hole should be. The first thing we start with is point B1. B1 lays minus 4 cm from point A. Right here. Then we find point B2. B2 lays 4.5 cm from point A. How do we know that? On the template we have some guides which can help us find where the different points are located. Take a look at the template one more time and you will see it right away. Then we will find point B3. B3 lays approximately 1.75 centimeters away from C1. B3. Now we will draw the circle, where the air will be pushed down and into the bag so that we can lift the vehicle. The circle is 3.5 centimeters from point A and around the whole circle. The first thing we start with is to draw 3.5 centimeters on both sides. Like this. Then just keep on turning outwards. This is unless you have access to a compass. If you do have a compass, you can set the center into point A and set the compass to 3.5 centimeters. Then we have drawn a nice circle. The next thing we're going to do is to go from point to point. This is a tangent. That means there is no straight lines between the points. This is an arc all the way. This will be cut out afterwards, but there will be more about that in the next video. Now we will find a circle that goes in front. What we know about the circle is that the circle has a radius of 6 centimeters. We know that from our template. And then we do the exact same thing as we did with the center circle. Again, if you have a compass, you can use point C1 and place the compass there and draw a 6 cm radius outwards. But since we do not have a compass, we have used the ruler and draw point to point by having a smooth arc. To draw the radius we need on the rear end of the vehicle, we will need another point on this side. We need a new C2 point. We do this simply by using the ruler. Find the opposite point . So this is point C2. Then we use the exact same method, and again you can use a compass. And then we draw these circles at a radius of 3 centimeters. And there we go, a completed drawing that you can cut out. You can now move on to the next video with instructions on how to build and code the Hoverbit.